Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, TechChimp. Today, we will talk about how to access cPanel in your GoDaddy account. So let's start. Open any web browser, then visit godaddy.com. Here, you will see the Sign In button. Click on it again. Click on the Sign In link if you already have an account. Enter a username or customer ID in the first box and a password in the second box, then click the Sign In button. After logging in, click on your name like this, then select the My Products option. It will redirect you to my account page. Scroll down, then click on this web hosting arrow. This option is only available to those who bought web hosting. Now click on the Manage button. Here, click on the cPanel Admin button. It will redirect you to the cPanel dashboard. So here you can manage your website. On this dashboard, you can manage web applications, file managers, databases, domains, metrics, software, security, email, preferences, and advanced modules. You can handle all your tools from this cPanel dashboard. So guys, if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest updates.